Hello, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel where I talk about using your electronics like your smart TV, smartphones, or laptops. I also talk about downloading application to your smart TV. So if you are here interested in downloading an application, then subscribe to YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'll be showing you how to download the Travel Channel Go to your smart TV with that Google Play Store. Now, to do that, it's very easy. The first thing first, you have to connect to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you're going to come out to this application downloader. Remember, we want to download the application without Google Play Store. So we're going to come out to downloader, which is an intermediate application that helps you to search files from across the internet to your smart TV. Without downloading your smart TV, check the description of this video. There's a link there to get download that to your smart TV. As you go to download that, just go ahead and launch it. And in the search bar, you're going to type in Travel Channel app. And once you type in that, you just go ahead and click on search or go. Downloader is going to show you the various options on the internet that you can use to get the application to your smart TV. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say all these sources are going to work most of the time. Most of them don't work. So you just have to go through all each source and see which one might work for you to get the application. Now, for instance, here's one option, but this one is not going to work. Or it might work depending on the version of your smart TV or the location in which you are in. So, for instance, you can scroll down a little bit to see to look for other options, and then you're going to see an option like this one, for instance. So I'm just going to try this one. The other options, you can even get the APK still using downloader. We're going to try this option, and once you come over here, you'll see that if here's the application and you come over to get app, if you click on get app, it's going to help you to get the application or download the application to your smart TV. So it's very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.